Hi there. This is Brother Birdman. This is my assistant, Rosie O'Dominic. And I am doing a quick demo on how to build a quarter wave ground plane antenna for ham radio. And basically, uh, I've built several of these and had very good successes. But the problem is that the high winds would blow the middle element away. So I had basically like a half of a SO239 or whatever. Basically, it's a double female that has a PL259 that goes in each end. So I decided to buy a few of these and have the base unit, and you could use almost anything for the ground planes. The important part is the element that goes up the middle, and the cool part is this is my assistant Rosie again, and I can screw this in, and I'm going to try and hold the camera. I keep doing retakes because I put the middle piece in and it drops out. And then I have the washer and the dryer. No, just a washer. And then the nut that goes in the top to screw that in here. And then the element in the middle has EPL 259 fitting over underneath the base. So I screw that in, and then that keeps the rain from getting in there. So, but basically, the length in the middle is most important, but then you have to adjust the length of the ground plane. So I have four, and this will sit on the roof nicely. I'm going to have this on a pole, and I'll just tape it sideways, or put maybe a small metal box underneath this to and mount it to the side of the pole, and then have it up high enough, and this will work for. I could actually reach some of the low-flying satellites on a couple of watts on VHF and or UHF. Now, I don't know if this is going to resonate on VHF with UHF. I know the J-poles that I've built and the Slim Jims resonate very well, and they're easy to match with the SWR. And on those, I would take like a clamp, copper clamp, and then I have a half of an SO 292 or whatever it's called on there, and then I'd have the ground on the tab, and then I'd have the middle element with the copper piece that also has a screw tab to adjust. So anyway, this is Rosie Dominic. She's learning. She's 9 months old, and she has a lot to learn about building antennas. Rosie, say goodbye. Say mama. Okay, don't say anything. Good girl.